All right, y'all, I'm back, and today we are making mustard fried chicken. First, we're going to heat up our oil. Going to fill this a little less than halfway with vegetable oil and put it on a medium-high heat. And then I'm going to start by adding about 4 cups of flour, and I'm going to season my flour with everything except salt, paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, black pepper, and ginger powder, about a teaspoon of each. I'm going to stir that around, and then I'm going to add about a tablespoon of cornstarch, and that makes the chicken have a little more crunch. So I'm going to add that in and stir it around so that everything is mixed really well. All right, and so I'm going to season my chicken with the same thing, about a teaspoon of salt, ginger powder, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, half a teaspoon of cayenne, half a teaspoon of black pepper. I'm going to mix everything around and make sure that it's seasoned on both sides. And then we're going to add the star of the story. That's mustard. I probably used about a half a cup of mustard, and I make sure I coated it on all the sides of the chicken. So we're going to add our chicken to flour. I was using tongs at first, and then I had to get busy with my hands because the tongs was not cutting it. So yeah, I just went in and floured the chicken. Make sure you flour all the sides evenly so that everything is coated, and we're going to get to frying. I am going to fry my chicken probably about 4 minutes on each side. I do flip it a couple of times just so it's not too scorched or anything like that. We're going to fry up our chicken. All right, so I'm only going to add in about 3 pieces so that I don't crowd the pot and so that the temperature doesn't drop. And like I said, I'm going to fry this about 4 minutes on each side, give or take. And yeah, that is it. So we're frying this chicken, and we're going to plate it. I also made some motorcycle beans, and I have a recipe for that as well. Simple, easy mustard fried chicken. It adds so much flavor. Hope you enjoy.